President Buhari don't order security forces now. May they go into all the bushes and start to shoot anybody where they see where they carry sophisticated weapons. And these sophisticated weapons where they talk about, they include AK-47. Hey, my people no be small matter. And if you know who bring this matter come to us, because I know say as I don't talk say President Buhari, all of una don't dey expect say una go see president today. Na lie. Hey, he send him personal assistant. I be waiting they call that in title, Mr. Gaba. Now he come give us this message, and according to that, he say he don't as the president tell him this one. This one happened for BBC Hausa. Now there he broadcast this one. And it also for Nigeria now, gold on the market. Like the market for gold now, don't they too sharp. So right now they can't do two things. First of all, they can't end all these bandits matter. Then secondly, they can't do economic sabotage. English everywhere. I bet my people for now, whenever hear Gaba voice, join me, make we listen to them.
Akwai rahotanni da ake samu ba wai a jihar Zamfara ba har wasu sassa na arewa maso gabas. Jirage musamman irin masu saukar ungulu da wasu masu haƙar ma'adanai kan yi amfani da su. Ana zargin cewa akan ɗauki makami a kai daji wajen 'yan ta'adda. Kuma sannan ana amfani da waɗannan jirage a ɗebi gwal da ake haƙowa a wasu sassa na jihar Zamfara.
If there's something where I no life for this my life, now make person take me, like make person just take my intelligence for nonsense. I'm too smart. I don't pass this level. I don't understand. Which one come be all this one with it? Why Buhari no fit come outside by himself talk to us? Which one be all this audio president? We know they see video. Hey! And tomorrow now, una go still need me person tell una say, president don't join your ancestors. They need tell una that one too. For how many years, I be for how many months? When last una see una president with una eye? When last? No, make person answer me now as they talk am. Because see, it is very clear. You don't need one vision. You don't need one dream. Make angel come appear to you with feathers. Then you or make person come meet you with one flashlight. Then you go say, God has spoken. But people, it dey real. It is very real as una dey see, as clear as water. Na so it dey. And this one now, where they talk say they want end banditry. They don't send forces. May they enter bushes. May they go kill anybody where they see it. I beg, hope say all these things when they talk bushes and things. Hope say include Northerners. Now my main consignment. You understand? Hope say include Northerners because I know now. Before you now go send troops. May they go south. May they go west. May they go east. All the bushes. May they start a killer. I bet who say Northerners bush too full inside. It is necessary as you they send them because I not just understand for now to see say these people they take us for granted. Oh, una don't take us for granted. Waiting. These same people where una go these bandits now where they talk about now una go give them weapons. Say go do this one. Now una go give them weapons. Now una they send people may go kill people where una give weapons. Do you think I'm stupid? Okay, now make we get this real fact now. Imagine say me and you, we dey do business together. We dey do business together and I know every in and out of your matter. Listen, then I won't come kill you straight. Imagine, because I won't kill you, I already know you. So so I'm not even supposed to start to look for people where they go investigate where you they stay, how you they work out. No, because I already know all your movements. So if I want kill you, suppose they very simple, straightforward. Now my own be this one now. Una say una want kill bandits. Now una they negotiate with bandits. Meaning say una know where they dey. So why una still they beat around the bush? They can't announce and like say na new Nigeria una they create. Nothing new for this matter. Since una know where they dey, now even they sponsor them. Ngwanu, send people straight, may they kill them. Which one be where you they send them to go into all the bushes so that you go anybody where na catch you AK-47? I don't understand. We look like small pikin for una eye. Hey, oh, I don't suffer for this life where I come. I don't suffer. Hey, boo boo, boo boo see me finish. He see me finish. Oh Lord. No wahala me. And like this a day I go still dey. They even add gold market. Wetin concern gold with insecurity? Wetin concern gold? The gold market now is very high, so we need to do. No, wetin una dey use gold do with bandits? Una don hear say Congo don carry gold. Una too don dey bring gold outside. So una dey come talk about. Una never see anything. You ain't seen nothing yet. You understand? You never see anything because this thing, una feel say, una feel just wake up. They take decisions, they make conclusions without anybody's mind inside. No worry, as we always they sit down, they listen to the nonsense when they talk. Now like that, we go still sit down, they listen to all this one. Because I not just understand. Okay, police force now, where they send? They say that they send agents, abi forces, to go fight bandits. These forces when they send, bandits even get weapons past them. If una see weapons wey bandits they carry, we no dey talk about all these chewing-gum guns, all those Aba market guns wey una dey. If una see weapons, make una better prepare all these forces wey una dey send, because we go just see na burial ceremony we go dey plan for now, because all of them they go waste all of them for ground. And if I be you, wey they listen to me, you be part of the forces. Just pretend say you dey sick. No go for this mission, because you no go just see your family again for this life wey we dey. Maybe we try to dey smart sometimes. And abeg government, if una want dey bring us matter wey we go dey surprise of. Bring us something new. All these things wey they talk about, I know for how long. Now today we know I'm already. We know you don't need. Wahala we bone straight for this Buhari government too. Serious bone straight, and the bone straight long. My people, make una no fall for this one. Now another means of transportation be this. No fall for this one. I don't know wetin they plan. I don't know wetin they don't see. I don't know wetin they try stop, but something dey inside this thing. You understand? So no fall for am. Now why I don't bring am now? So that in case una hear am tomorrow, una go say, we don't hear am from Madam Aproko. And una know say always they bring una the latest and I see the hot. You understand? May they continue to the food themselves. So drop those comments for that comment section. Anything where you think concerning these bandits now, where they talk say they stop. Anything where you think say you get for your mind where I never talk. Or if you there against me, why not? I will still welcome your comment. So drop am for that comment section. I will reply on one by one. Subscribe and share this video. Make everybody know what they happen for this house. Stay tuned for our next story. For the past how many weeks, everybody don't they come out, they give us their own reason why they support bandits. Now come out and say AK-47 they are allowed because they use and they protect themselves. The other one come out, no, they are not criminals. The other one, in fact, everybody just they give us their own. Now another politician don't come out now, when they give us another reason why things say bandits they all right. And according to this one, for now we don't know him. Now former president aspirant Adamu Gaba into say bandits now no difference between bandit and Niger Delta militants, because matter reach me before say all these Niger Delta militants they be attack oil producing facilities, and this one happen for Delta. They cause many shutdown for oil terminals. They even fall in Nigeria oil this way they call a production. In fact, they scatter anything oil for Delta, they scatter and they pieces am. So now why this man don't they come they tell us say no difference between those ones and the bandits where we they against. So I bet for now we don't know who be Gaba. I don't bring a corner screen, so join me, make we listen to that.
Radicalization that is done to this Boko Haram isn't enough. You can't de-radicalize me by talking to me or bringing a preacher. I need to have some sense of responsibility on myself and my well-being. What happened in the Niger Delta case, which is my last point here, is that they were not just integrated into the community, they were trained. Some of them became pilots, so some of them became engineers, some of them. You have to also, what Niger Delta did, was it not killing and criminality too? Was it not kidnapping and bombing and destruction too? It is. So what we need to do is to train them and give them a sense of responsibility.
Government of the Malams for the bandits and by the Boko Haram. Now your title be that. Na only you sabi speak grammar, dey come outside dey talk. No, wetin we expect? Wetin una dey expect when person wey come outside dey tell us say make we leave Bitcoin, make we start dey focus on cow coin. Now the country now na animal zoo kingdom. So now everything wey we dey do must dey connected to cow. My brother, the fact say lockdown dey no mean say your brain suppose shut down o, because this one as I dey see you like this they don remove that thing wey dey make human beings dey reason well, dey think. Hey, Nigeria wahala o. And the fact sef wey this man bin dey dream say he go become president of Nigeria, na the one wey even dey wetin be that English, startle my heart. That one even dey shock me. You bin dey dream to become president like this, with this mentality wey you get, wey I no even know who dash you, whether na from cow abi na from human beings, na like this. Nonsense just full this country. Nonsense just full Nigeria like this. Ezioku. E dey very clear, my people, say northern leaders na dem be the root of all the problem wey dey happen for north. Northern leaders, no trust them. In fact na dem be the genesis of all the problem wey dey happen for north. See this one, e just come outside now, the open mouth like one born sacrifice wey I no even know where they pick am from. The agenda now e dey very clear and e dey gradually dey unfold. So I just dey hope say una dey ready like this. Hope say una dey ready, because this one wey go come now, una no go even believe say una expect am abi una no expect am. So abeg, all the wetin dey call these people, occupy Nigeria, all una title wey una know say una get, make una start dey do something fast before e go late. Start dey do something fast before e go late. They talk say a word dey enough for the wise o, because now this one don come outside dey give you own. Tomorrow now no even know who we dey expect. Ngwanu, who go come tomorrow now come give us in own this thing? Mr. Figure of Speech don do him own go. Chineke. See who dey come out dey compare bandits and Delta militants. Una dey come outside, no, una even still get mouth dey compare bandits. Abeg, Delta militants, they be dey fight for their rights. They be dey fight for their rights. In case una no know, because I know say many of una now any small thing wey una hear, una go do, una no go even do una research, una no go even ask questions, una go just dey believe. These people go their land, pollute all their water with oil. They pollute everything, you no understand? The thing can affect them, affect their business. For now, we no know these people, their means of income na fishery, na through fishing. So imagine if you can't spoil their water, how they won't do their business. Now, why they did what they do? They go spoil every oil terminal. They shut everything down because it affect their business. How you go come person land? You just they come because you be governor, because you just get one title like that. You feel say you feel misbehave. No, now these people they get right for this fight where they fight. If you they fight for something, at least make people see say you they right. I bet what bandits they fight for. Make person answer me because I know what may come be like say they support one person. If una fit give me reason, or una fit tell me say okay, now this thing bandits they fight for, at least maybe we know say okay, we get one place where we they start from. Wetin they get? Wetin they get? People wey go leave their side, come they look for trouble for another person's side. Last, my people, no difference between this one, wetin be the Adamu, and the other ones. All of them are the same. When this one start to talk, I been say okay, at least this one will come give us some kind of sense. Just I not even reach middle of the speech. I just started to laugh. Say this one, na the same thing. All of them are the same, my people. So I beg, this one don't bring her now because I know what make una talk tomorrow. Say Madam Aproko talk, Madam Aproko no talk. You understand? So this one don't add to the people where they support bandits, and they bring them out so that una go know their leaders. Very, very important. You understand? So any comment when you get concerning this matter, drop am for that comment section. Share this video and subscribe. If not, you go miss everything we drop. Stay tuned for our next story.